In an era of cyber wars, India needs a fortified computing ecosystem. Advanced mechanisms have taken over the field of computing, with nation states along with private companies embroiled in a high stakes race to increase indigenous computing power for economic and strategic purposes. With India's data generation at an all time high, there is a need to improve computational capabilities by using advanced computing technologies. The National Supercomputing Mission 2015 was the first step taken by the state. A jointly funded program by the Department of Science and Technology and the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, with the outlay of 4500 crore, has been allocated for the mission over 7 years, 2016 to 2023. The main objectives are to spearhead research in the development of supercomputers and build a national supercomputing grid. As of February 2022, 10 supercomputers have been installed at various host institutions. However, considering the distribution of the world's top 500 most powerful supercomputers, India accounts for just 0.6% of the total. There is a long way to go before India can develop an integrated grid of supercomputers. The other major advanced computing technology dominating the market is quantum computing. While India has a dedicated supercomputer program, there has been no dedicated government policy for quantum computing. However, the domestic private sector has gotten involved in the development of quantum computing hardware, software, and algorithms. The government has relied on partnership deals with major private firms such as AWS and IBM, Amazon Web Services to advance the quantum computing landscape. Recent progress by the state has showcased the government's intent, but a holistic strategy is needed to facilitate its further advancement. First, the ability to build advanced computing facilities rests on raw materials. It would be impossible to indigenously manufacture the whole system from scratch. This is where the reliance on high tech imports kick in. Trade barriers, export control mechanisms, and import restrictions can hamper access to the building blocks of these systems. For example, advanced processors for supercomputers and cryogenic cooling systems for quantum computers are a necessity, but indigenously developing them will take time. Cutting down on import tariffs along with embracing multilateral trade agreements such as information technology agreement must be the government's property priority. Moving towards a liberalized technology trade policy can help the country accelerate its computing program. Now, second, a grander vision to develop a nationwide computing grid is key. Vision. China's national computing network can serve as a blueprint to scale up computing infrastructure. The Chinese plan talks about a geographical approach to build data centers and computing clusters across the mainland. The concept of Eastern data and Western computing in China has been proposed, which involves setting up computing architecture in less developed western regions of the country to handle the data stored in centers in tech aligned east. A computing grid in India can follow a similar pattern. The government, which has so far focused on academic research institutions as hosts for computing systems, must disperse these facilities. Creating a better network can improve the functioning of an advanced computing grid and handle large scale data processing with ease. Third, it is the need for military lens into computing power, which will facilitate its advancement and improve computing technology. In the age of information warfare and cybersecurity threats from across the border, increased computational capacity is necessary risk mitigation tool. Advanced computing facilities at strategic environments such as naval bases, air commands and control centers, and border outposts can help in faster analysis and real time data processing that contains critical military intelligence. India must focus on its computing strategy, keeping the national security angle in mind. The United States and China are already looking at these systems to simulate military operations and gain an advantage in the new era of warfare. India must take cognizance and act swiftly and decisively to build an impregnable computing ecosystem. Thank you.